Alright, so today I'm going to talk about printing, 3D printing challenges, the common challenges I guess that most people talk about. If you go online and talk about Facebook groups or whatever. So the three ones are, the first one is stuff not sticking to the bed, or stuff sticking to the bed and you can't get it off. So I found a solution to this, it's pretty cheap. Second option, challenge is is filament getting too moist. If you live in a southern states or any place with a high humidity, your filament's going to get wet and it's going to popcorn. What that means is that's going to expand while it's in the hot end, and it's going to basically come out like popcorn. So the third challenge, or I guess issue, is the concern of fire. So you don't want the printer burning your house to the ground. So I'll go through the solutions here. First one is the stuff sticking to the bed or not sticking to the bed. $1 glue sticks from the dollar store. Right? Put that on, it's just a little thin coat, and that problem is solved. When you want to take your print off the bed, you take a little trowel like this from the dollar store, sharpen the edge so it's like got a little bit of a, you see the edge, and then when you slide that into your print, it's going to pop right off. You don't need to hit it or take the plate off and bend or anything. It's just easy. Second issue is the filament getting moist. So what I have is a filament dryer. It's a $50 item from Amazon. It's Sane Smart. This has been working well for me for well over a year. I do have to oil the fan inside once in a while with 3-in-1 oil, but other than that, it's no issues. The tent, I got this tent on Amazon for $100. It keeps the temperature consistent, keeps the complaints down about, you know what I mean. And I have a fan in the back that I pulled off an old PC that keeps it relatively cool, consistent heat. You don't want it cold, but you don't want it too hot either. In the very back, I've got a camera. I'll talk about that in a second. The camera also comes with a light, which I got from Princess Auto for, I think I paid $10 for it. The camera is a godsend, because with that I can monitor everything that's happening on this printer without having to actually be in the house. So I have it all displayed here on a web server, a free web server, web host. Once a minute, this picture updates, pulls an image off that camera, and so I can go shopping, or I can just not hang around and still see what's going on with the print. I'll know if it's gone to hell or not. That's the camera I'm using here is it's called an ESP32 cam. It's a little cheap $8-9 camera. Comes with lenses. I use the default one usually, but you can get different lenses. You can get wide angles and telephotos. They're $4 or $5 each. I printed a case. You can get this model is on Thingiverse, easy to get, and it runs off just a regular 5-volt micro USB cable. So with that, you should be able to print with confidence, knowing that you're not going to run into too many snags. Like I said, I've been running this setup for about 2 years, and no issues at all. So hope that helps.